walked all over Afghans, hairy sheepdogs aren't all there. And as if you hadn't guessed, I think Great Danes are only fair. So where does my virgin heart lead? It's a multiple choice question of breed. But when I find true love, the answer's none of the above, 'cause the rules are land when you're a dog's best friend.
Now that's dog music. She's hitting notes so high it's enough to turn your woofer into a tweeter.
Colleen, they loved you.
Isn't that wonderful? Terrific. Just terrific.
Colleen?
Oh, yeah.
Back. Colleen?
Ace, help! Oh, get your dirty paws off me!
Colleen, stay! Stay!
I hope you all get heartworm.
Didn't we bring a gag for her?
Oh, sure. How about this one? These 2 Irish wolfhounds and a Shar-Pei going to a kennel.
Doggone.
Bring 10,000 bones to the old warehouse at midnight tonight, or I'll spray paint her teeth, glue her ears together, and tie a knot in her tongue. Twice.
You know, I've heard a lot of great...
Colleen's been kidnapped by Bugsy. What? It's time we stood together and showed them what we're made of. Huh? He can't kill all of us. What do you say?
I think that's body language for yikes.
Well, Quackers, either I fight him or Bugsy will hurt Colleen.
Yeah, but what if he doesn't?
Oh, he will, all right.
But what if he doesn't?
Oh, he will, all right.
But what if he doesn't?
And so, our hero, forced to choose between his principles and the dog he loves, is reduced to talking to a hand puppet. What'll they think of next?
I know a guy who knows the writer. Ace gets killed in the next scene, and Colleen runs off with a duck and a hang glider. Honest.
Normally I'd argue, folks, but my mother always told me to let sweeping dogs lie. Thank you.
Wait for it. Oh, wait for it. Not until we say the word.
A nice crispy biscuit for the little doggy. Doesn't it smell good?
And how's our little song bite? Such angry noises from such a lovely lady. What a waste.
Don't kid yourself, Tootsie. I know her type. Always looking down her snout at you like she's something special. I've seen you doing tricks on street corners, girl. Jump through a hoop for a quarter, sir. Catch a frisbee for a dime, ma'am.
Oh, isms want the little biscuit? Oh, why you?
That's my name. Don't spell it out.
So it's you.
Let her go, them. This is between me and you.
And a dog named Boo.
Did you bring the 10,000 bones?
The money's for the orphans, Bugsy. All you get is meat.
I'm sorry to hear that, Ace. You forced me to do senselessly violent things to your face.
I figured that. But I warn you, I'm a pink bow in the ancient Pekingese art of Wayayata.
Why, what the? What's this? You're gonna scamper me to death? You're gonna prance until I beg for mercy?
All right, but I warn you, Why I oughta.
Why I oughta.
Why I oughta.
Ace, run for it!
What the? Hey, get her!
Why I oughta.
Would you prefer to be sliced, diced, or julienne fried? I'm such a wag.
Taste this smaller mutt.
Colleen, no violence. If we all could just sit down.
Ace!
You.
More senseless! Yeah! Loop-de-loop! More gratuitous!
Oh boy, now this is entertainment.
So, how was your flight?
Now, are you ready to talk?
Later, you. But first, Mad Dog and Scruffy get to experiment with your bone structure. Ready, boys? Hit it!
Come on, get it, move it. Oh, my dog! I broke a claw. It's broken right off. Oh,
Muzzle it, Bill! Come on, you guys, what is this, a retirement kennel? Come on, get the car! Let's move!
All right, let's go. And this car chase better be senseless.
You saved my hide again. Thanks.
You saved mine first, you crazy lug. Uh-oh, you'll never guess who's tailing us. Hang on, I'm gonna give these drool buckets a tour of Dog City they'll never forget.
Always wanted to take my act on the road.
Look out!
Great, get them all. Don't miss any.
Sounds like Symphony and A-flat squeak toy.
Where you going?
Where else? Grocery shopping. All right, Bugsy, eat my trash.
Oh, look, Bugsy, an eggplant.
Now that's what I call senseless. Don't lose them.
Take that, Bugsy, you pond scum.
Look out for the clothesline!
Laundry, I love it. Hey, watch where you're going. Watch out!
How come all the losers wind up in advertising?
Oh, well, so you lost one. Let's go home.
Lost? Lost? Hang on. Bugsy them don't know the meaning of the word lost.
The meaning of the word lost? That's simple. Lost. Adjective denoting something strayed or misplaced, as in, I've lost my kerchief. Might you have seen it? Also, failure to win, as in, Denise has lost a tennis match. Now Sandra is champion.
Oh, Ace, we did it. We got away.
You did it, Colleen. You're a real pistol, you know that?
No, shucks, Ace.
You know, Colleen, there's been something I want to ask you.
Yes, Ace?
Does this car float?
Well, Oh, my. We almost got wet.
What do you mean, almost? Bugsy.
In the fur. Like they say, you can lead a dog to water, but you can't make him sink. Not without a lead swimsuit, that is. Get it?
Hold it right there, Missy. Try looking down your snout at a 38 Dogmatic for a change.
Well, you looks like you reached the end of your leash.
You don't scare us. You and your inbred buddies and your stupid tail can go sit and spin on a pooper scooper for all we care.
I think what she's trying to say is, look, a giant tail-eating reptile.
Oh, come on, you don't expect me to fall for that old trick.
No, I guess not. But you might fall for this.
Hold it right there, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Hey, Belle.
How's tricks?
Doggone.
Colleen, come on.
Hey, no fair. You cheated. Come back here.
Come and get us, fathead.
Darn it. This is hardly senseless at all. I'm going to find you two. You and you too, Songbird. And when I do, guess what I'm going to do? Guess.
I'll distract him. You go for help.
But Ace, I can't leave you here.
Don't worry. I won't be alone. Get ready.
But
I'm waiting.
Give me a few seconds, then run.
but Ace...
Don't be a yo-yo, you. Give up now.
It's you and me, quackers.
Ah, I ain't deaf, you know. Now I got you.
Hey, Mr. Goofy Tail, over here.
Ah. What's that? A duck? Now, that's more like it. That's really stupid.
Over here, broomstick bum.
Duck hunting on the docks with bugs eat them. I love it. Makes no sense whatsoever.
Hello, police dogs?
Hey, Blimpo! Is that your tail or you just glad to see me?
Still trying to hide? What are you? Yellow? Hmm?
Okay, Bugsy, we surrender. Don't shoot.
I hurt my tail. Oh, no fair time out.
Hey, it's okay, little fella. Help's on the way.
You're not supposed to hurt a guy's tail. Not my tail.
I say we rip it off.
Here, let me look at it.
Ace, watch out.
So long, you.
Doggone.
Well, this looks like the end of Bugsy Them. He's all yours, officer.
Good job, you. We'll take it from here.
Oh, Ace, I can't believe it's finally over.
That's the end of his tale, but it doesn't have to be the end of ours.
Yes, you're right.
Colleen, will you marry me? Will you be Mrs. U?
Oh, are you kidding? You don't know how often I've dreamed of the day when I'm calling you.
Hey, why, I oughta...
Don't slug me, I'm only the piano driver.
Hey, what are you doing here?
I just came to give you a lift back to the reprise. Hop on.
He's the new top dog in town. Hip hooray, let's party down. The streets are jumping to and fro. Let's rip! Everybody wants to go. Down City! Everybody wants to go. Down City! Everybody wants to go. Down City! Every crazy cat I know. And every low down so-and-so. Down City! Everybody wants to go. Down City! Everybody in the know. Gotta say goodbye now, that's the show.
Time's up.
Everybody wants to go.
Well, honey, looks like we can build that 15th, 16th way home for orphans after all.
Sure thing, sweetie. And like my mom used to say, if you defer the payments into tax-sheltered annuities, you can still amortize the interest at premium rates.
Welcome to I Married a Canine Accountant.
and got married and lived happily ever after. At least up until their place was ransacked and burned to the ground by a marauding band of renegade sheep. You know, I knew a dog once named Jeff. Hated sheep so much he used to hunt them down and eat them. Folks called him Mutt and Jeff. Now that's a dog joke.